Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn off adult content filter on X. So you need to change two main settings, and to do that you generally must be 18 or older, and you may need to use X website because on X mobile application there are no such settings. They are simply missing, so you have to go to your preferred browsing system, search x.com, which is official website of X. Then you want to sign into your X account, and now finally when you're in, you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. In your settings you want to go to section privacy and safety, and from here select content you see section. So now look for the option display media that may contain sensitive content, and please make sure to ensure to check this box to basically enable sensitive content in your home timeline. Additionally, if you want to enable sensitive content in search results, when you search something on X, you have to go to search settings and look for the option hide sensitive content, and please uncheck the box next to this option to allow sensitive content to appear in your search results. And after you make these changes on the website, those changes should apply across all devices, including the mobile application. So that's how you can turn off adult content filter on X. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.